All right, so next up is volume of cones. Just like for pyramids, the formula is 1/3 area of the base times the height of the cone. Except in this case, the base is a circle. So first you have to get the area of that circle. So the base here, area of a circle is pi r squared. But this 12 yards is a diameter. So the radius is 1/2 of 12, which is 6 yards. So I'm going to have, for my area of my base, I'm going to have pi times 6 yards squared, or 36 pi, which comes out to 113.1 approximately. 113.1 square yards. Now, I always leave this in my calculator so I can always go back and not have to worry about having round off error. Okay, I'm now going to plug that into my volume. So volume is 1/3 times 113.1 square yards times the height of my cone, which is, in this case is also 12 yards. So I'm going to take the answer that I already had, multiply it by 12, and multiply it by 1/3. Which comes out to approximately 452.4. And now since I have square yards times yards, that's cubic yards. All right, same thing over here. This 8 meters is a diameter, so the radius is going to be 1/2 of 8 meters. So you'll have to figure out what that is. Then you'll have to get the base, which is pi times the radius squared. And then you'll have to take the volume, which will be whatever you calculated times the base, 1/3 of that, times the height of the cone, which is 9 meters, which will give you some number of cubic meters.